Welcome to another new video of interesting math problem on our channel Math Solutions for You. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. X and y are positive integers such that x square plus xy plus 2 times x plus y is equal to 208. Given this, we are asked to compare between the quantities x minus y and 2 and basically choose one of the options from A through D, whether one quantity is greater than the other or if the two quantities are equal. And there's an option D which says the relationship cannot be determined from information given. What we're given is an equation involving two variables, x and y, and normally this would not be solvable in terms of x and y, because in order to solve for two variables we need two equations and we're given only one. However, x and y are not just variables that can take any values, right? They are specifically constrained to be positive integers, and that might give important clues on the values or range of values that x and y can take even from a single equation like this. So we start with the equation x squared plus xy plus 2x plus y equal to 208, and then we note some patterns in this one. For example, if we take x common from the first two terms on the left hand side, we get x multiplied by x plus y within parentheses. And then the remaining terms 2x plus y, I can break 2x as simply x plus x, and we basically end up with this. And now we realize that we basically have the product of two terms, x multiplied by x plus y, and then the following terms are simply the sum of the same two terms. So if we let x plus y equal to p and x equal to q, then we end up with this, pq plus p plus q is equal to 208, right? And further, if we take p common from the first two terms on the left hand side, we get this, p multiplied by q plus 1 plus q is equal to 208. And if we simply add 1 to left hand side, we can see that this becomes amenable to a nice factorization, because we can take q plus 1 common across these terms. However, to maintain parity, we also got to add 1 on the right hand side. So we have 208 plus 1 on the right hand side. And now we take q plus 1 as common, and we end up with this factorization, q plus 1 multiplied by p plus 1 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have 209. So essentially we have q plus 1 multiplied by p plus 1 equal to 209. Now, since x and y are integers and basically p and q are defined based on them, they're the simple linear operations or linear addition, x plus y, and at q is equal to x itself. So it's clear that both p and q are also got to be positive integers, right? And furthermore, we have q plus 1 and p plus 1, which implies that both of these should be positive integers greater than 1. So the left hand side of this equation, we have product of two integers which are greater than 1. And on the right hand side, we have 209, which is not a prime number by itself, but it can be basically written as the product of two prime numbers, 11 and 19. And that's pretty much the only way we can break up 209 as the product of two integers greater than 1. 11 multiplied by 19. And so we can actually equate these two, q plus 1 and p plus 1, to 11 and 19. since P is greater than Q, because remember what P was X plus Y, and Q was simply X, and Y being a positive integer, X plus Y got to be greater than X, so P ought to be greater than Q. So of Q plus 1 and P plus 1, P plus 1 is the greater term. So we can basically write P plus 1 equal to 19, because 19 is the greater of 11 and 19, right? And that would make Q plus 1 equal to 11. And now if we go back to what Q was in terms of X, Q was simply equal to X, so that was our substitution. So X plus 1 equal to 11, and we get X equal to 10. And going back to what P was in our definition, P was X plus Y plus 1 equal to 19. But we'll solve for X is equal to 10. So we have 10 plus Y plus 1 equal to 19. And if we solve for Y, we get Y equal to 8. So X minus Y becomes 10 minus 8, which is equal to 2. So the relationship between these two quantities are given, X minus Y and 2, is simply option C. These two quantities are equal.